We're here at LASFIT and we're working on this 2017 Subaru STI, and we're going to be replacing the map lights, okay? And we'll be replacing them with the 28mm bulbs, okay? There you go. Okay, so this is pretty simple. As you saw, you just gotta put a flathead or a trim remover and just get it to you in the corners and just pop it downwards, okay? You pretty much try to remove those clips in there. So once you take that aside, you want to go for lights, and before you even mess with them, make sure your power is off. So make sure you get that turned off. Alright guys, so we're gonna be replacing the old bulbs and putting in the new 28mm, okay? So they should look like this. This is ours, our LED. This is gonna be our 28mm festoon, 6K wide, okay? So we just took out the old one. We're gonna be replacing it with the new one, okay? And like always, make sure your power is off, so like that you don't short out anything, okay? So almost dropped it. So there you go. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.